Good afternoon. Hope you're having a great week. Nick Rishwain with Experts.com. I wanted to bring you a little update. Expert witness, new case law out of California that created a common knowledge exception that you don't need an expert witness to establish the standard of care for a professional when there's common knowledge that can prove that the standard of care was not met. So what we have here is it's a real estate negligence matter, professional liability matter for a real estate agent, and essentially what happened was these folks, the plaintiffs, were buying a home in La Jolla, very expensive, on the beach, and what they discovered, what their real estate agent failed to tell them, was that a neighbor had talked to the real estate agent and said, hey, you know what, we're planning on doing a huge, massive restoration project here, really expensive, and it's going to block the view of those you're selling the house to. Real estate agent did not tell the purchasers about that, and they later found out when the project happened that they were going to lose the view to the ocean. So the court said, look, we don't need an expert witness to establish that the real estate agent breached his duty, breached the standard of care by not sharing that information with the plaintiffs. So that was the common knowledge exception that was created in California out of the 4th District Court of Appeals. And it's interesting, the case, if you were buying that piece of property, you'd certainly want to know whether or not you were going to lose this beautiful view of the ocean. And that, they said, it was common knowledge by the layperson. And they said, in fact, the conduct required here was within the common knowledge of a layman. Put differently, anyone who hired a real estate broker to sell her home would expect that broker to share information that would adversely impact the value of the home. So that's it. Hope you have a good weekend, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.